Shooting with Dedolight. In this video, we will try taking photos using a LED Dedolight spotlight. This is a spotlight, so the light will not spread out, but be contained in one space. First, I will press the Dedolight in a high position and aim it directly at the subject. This will create a really cool mood. Now, I will place a blackboard with long vertical slit between the Dedolight and the subject. The shape of the slit is reflected onto the subject and creates an interesting image. There is a high contrast, so we should be careful with exposure so that the subject does not become whitewashed. Also, we can create many variations by moving the subject to the left or right and shift the mood of the photo. Next, let's try using a flash instead of the Dedolight. Because the flash is diffuse light, if you use a board with slit like this, the shape of the slit in the image will become blurry and you won't get a nice photo. If you'd like to use this type of light, I recommend using a direct spotlight and not a flash.